Hi guys, yes, this is Henry again. It's my life today, and so today would be like to share some of my topics today. And first of all, thank you and joining me my live. If you're able to see me, okay. So yeah, let me know you are in my life now so that I be able to continue on my life. Okay, so yeah, how guys? Long time no see, right? So it's about 1 week. Did not show up for my life, and today will be continue again to pop up in my life. Hope that to share something new about uh yeah the topic for today. Okay, so let's start. Seems like okay. Thank you for joining me for today and welcome to Fundamental Investment Stock Option, Future Option and ETF for Beginner. So my name is Henry. If you do not know me, okay, so I just started my life. If you are interested and you are benefiting on this live, so please make sure like my page, okay. So yeah, this is the topic today. We're looking at option price change at Think of Swim. So why I'm using Think of Swim basically will be this is the higher recommended platform in this option market. Okay, so because Think of Swim probably is the second largest platform available in US. Okay, so because we are looking at doing trading through US market, so this is the best so far, and this is registered with MAS Singapore. So no worries, do not. Okay, so everything will be documented. It's purely legal. Okay, so of course I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever talk over here and whatever symbol is show on my display and my account. Okay, so do your own study, then do your own study, make sure everything okay, then go ahead. Okay, but of course I'm not investor lah, so my intention here to just share whatever I know on the past 2 years, what I learned and what I'm do a mistake. So from here, I would like to share and then to minimize your time, okay, so that you would not go through the same mistake same as me like the past 2 years. So this is the easiest way so you can uh, accelerate for the speed for your option. Okay, thank you. So let's jump in. This is my account here. So just let you know because we are using a Think of Swim, right? So probably this is the interface you are looking at. For now, they have stopped working trading because this is on Saturday night. I'm doing this live, which is this account. It's not active. The account is not live. The trading is not live, but the account is. This is the actual account that I'm using. Okay, so today we'll jump into the option chain here. Okay, first of all, when you come to this interface, you look unfamiliar because this is the platform. They have a lot of numbers, a lot of columns, section, yeah, sectors that will be divided, but not confusing for you now. So we are focused into the option change for today. So today I'm using this apple. It's a symbol. If you're looking at other symbol that you are going in here like Visa, Microsoft or any underlying stock you would like to put in, right? So for here today, I'm using this Apple as our symbol. So you can just, once you type in a symbol and you select it here, then Apple will be based on this price. So this is the strike price, the closing from the previous day. Okay, so and once you selected here, so this is the underlying section here will be to show you the whole um, the last closing price, the net changes, which is the compared to the previous day. Okay, bid ask, sizes, volume, high and low, etc., etc. Okay, so this is the necessary to put in more attention. It's about here. Okay, so this is we call option chain, and probably some people in the some platform they are use this option prices chain. Okay, so we are using option chain here. So from here you need to really take note, because if you are a weekly trader, are you a monthly trader, so it really depends on this part here. So like me, I don't really look into the weekly options. Most probably I'll looking at slightly fall further away, like 30 days or 45 days of option I'm looking at. But for this trading now, we are just simply look at everything here, weekly. Some will be monthly. Some option will be come with this quarterly as well. Okay, but not confusing for all. Now jump in for here. So basically, you'll be able to see this is very simple, which is a calendar format. 20 means is date 20, March and 2020. This is the year 2020, right? So because of this stock will be expired on 20 March in the year 2020, and you'll be only left balance day 6 balance day on the calendar. Okay, so when you open up this calendar, right, when on March 20, it's on Friday, 27 March also on Friday. So you will know all the stock, all the option will be expired, worthless, or no more value will be expired on Friday. Okay, so very simple. Every weekly, even it's weekly, even though will be a monthly, so every expired will be on Friday. Okay, remember that, because this is important. If you are doing option, so make sure every Friday um, before go to bed, make sure your contract or anything position you would like to make some action, either you close it or to to calendar for another option date, right? So this is very important, and I most probably I'll be looking at the third week of Friday, because this is the monthly trade which is expired on Friday. So that's how easy to me for manage my account, because I did not really go in the first week or second week. Okay, because as me like an option trader, I don't really focusing too much. Okay, my energy, or I don't sleep. I sleep very well, because I only need to worry the stock will be on expired on the third week on Friday. Okay, so that's how probably we are looking at this option change over here. And then the next couple things here in, okay, this part, which is the implied volatility. Okay, so implied volatility is based on the market volatiles, because recently because the market about this COVID-19, and also the oil plumb due to some OPEC agreements, though. So the implied volatility will be slightly very high for this last week. Okay, if you if you're looking at the market, so it's the worst the news, the drop very drastically is worse than 1987, which is the worst drop. Okay, but to me, if you ask me, what's my opinion is, after I read some those the famous investor like Warren Buffett. So basically, um, as he mentioned, this is very common if let's say you are in doing stock investment, right? So the most important thing that you need to have a very clear mindset and you need to have a very good strategy that will be limit whatever losses. Although the market plummet to 10%, 7% one day, so make sure your position is well protected. Okay, so because I'm using this strategy, I have limit losses. So whatever the stock going further down, so my account is still secure. Okay, although it's this recently it's a very bad situation, but at least the account I have and the strategy I have and the preparation I already have, right? So everything will be it's still in control. Okay, as long as you have a great mindset, okay, and then and do a discipline on your trade. Okay, so yeah, I think that's for my sharing for today. It's because this is important things for the option change training or sharing for today. So as long as you are not okay, and then not going to um, blindly to trade, as long as you know what is your expiration, when is the expire date. Okay, so that's the crucial things in the option. Yeah, that's all for my live today. And if you, oh wow, so many guys, yeah, my auntie Zaki, Andy. So guys, thank you for joining me today, and hope that this all whatever I share benefit to you. Okay, so my daughter here, and I think she want to say hello to guys. Say hello. Hello. Okay, so hello, going to sleep. Yes, thank you for joining me tonight. Good night. See you again for my next video. Bye. Bye. Apa nak present? Present. Present. The thing stuck inside. What this? 哟，这么你放 gum？ Not gum。那是什么来的 ？Double sided。哦，double sided。这为什么会 stuck 在里面？哟，怎么有 battery？ 放好，这个有时会用到的 control 要用到的，公公等下回来没有 control 用，等下他就找你，有你要找给我。